Good morning, guys. I just rolled out of bed. I'm gonna do quick morning chores. Storm's coming in. Today's the last day for 100% crop insurance for them to get their crops in. So they've been working all night long into today. So wish them luck. Guys, I hope you have great success this year. Even with all the challenges with all this rain, you're getting it done. So I need to get the baby chickens moved today too. It's been 1 week where they are, so we're gonna get them moved as well. Okay, so in order to move them, I can't really move them in the chicken tractor just yet because by the time I get the wheels on the chicken tractor, they just go right underneath it. So I'm just gonna put them all in their box and put some fresh paper down. And then we'll move them in their box. Got it moved. We're gonna get them all set back up and they should be good to go. It's just starting to sprinkle. That's a happy sight. They're all eating fresh grass, having fun. That was their before run. And now they'll probably start getting moved now, probably since they're a week old. I'll just monitor it probably every 2 to 3 days. We'll see how much damage these little babies can do. But they've been refed, rewatered. Okay, we're gonna go feed the goats now. Take you guys with. Okay, well, I forgot to hit the record button. Goats are fed. This is our big blueberry row. I think we have like 15 or so blueberries on it. Let's see, a caterpillar. Get off. And some of them are absolutely loaded this year, so I want to show you guys. The rain is right there, so we got to do it quick. We've got them all over. This one doesn't have hardly any that I've seen, so he's an oddity. He's got some down here at the bottom. But this guy is one of my superstars. Let's start at the bottom. Just loaded with blueberries. Same with him. So I don't know if it's the variety that these two are, because we got several varieties, and of course I didn't keep the tags to know what they are. This little peanut, it's just a little peanut of a bush, but he's got a ton. All right, so I need to get back in the house and get breakfast going if Todd hasn't yet. I don't know what we're doing today because it is raining, but we're gonna take you guys with us. So see you in a bit. Okay, well, I just got in from doing chores. Oops,
sorry.
That was Todd. And I'm so excited because he's got to go help his mom at his shop this morning, so he doesn't get to have breakfast. And why does that make me excited? Because that means I get to have pancakes. He can't eat them, so I rarely ever get the opportunity to make myself pancakes. If you guys haven't tried, oh, I forgot I already had one open. I tried this protein mix. I don't know that it's necessarily a protein mix, but they have a recipe on the back to make it high protein. These are really, really good. So I'm gonna make myself some pancakes for breakfast. I think Todd's gonna take you guys with him while he goes and does his job for his mom at her shop. Leaving?
Yep.
Love you.
Morning. Off this morning to town. It's windy. My parents have a shop in Monroe. They've had it for a while now. And I think they finally sold it. Well, they sold their building. So they need some help this morning. Removing furnace unit, like one of those gas furnace units that like hang from the ceiling. So I'm running to town. My uncle, my mom's brother, is actually a plumber, so he's going to be there to help with all the gas lines and stuff like that. They just need some more muscle to help get this thing down off the ceiling. So that's where I'm off to this morning. I'm going to stop. Hopefully I have time to stop and get some breakfast on the way, and we'll get this job done.
You fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost it. I never lost it.
One and only time you're gonna watch me clean. But it's raining outside, Todd's gone. That's what I'm doing today. So it's kind of a boring vlog. But clean with me for 1870s Homestead is done. Hope you liked it.
Well, I'm back home. It's about 3 o'clock, 3:30, something like that now. What turned into what started out as removing one of those furnace units from the ceiling in my mom's shop quickly turned into me realizing that they needed way more help than what they were asking for. So they had some friends who were in town visiting who were giving them a hand, and I stayed and helped out. We ended up renting a U-Haul truck and took like 2 loads of china cabinets and curio cabinets from their shop over to their storage unit for temporary storage. Made a huge dent in their workload, so that was really cool that there was people that were there to help out. So I'm home now. Oh, and we did end up scoring, they had a picnic table. Nice like metal fold up with plastic on it that they didn't want anymore. They're like, if you want it, you can have it. And I'm like, sure. So we're gonna take it up to our cabin. The one that we have up at the cabin is like all rotten and falling apart. Some of the boards are missing, but we still kind of use it, but it needs to go. So we got a new one. The rain we were supposed to get today is really kind of not happening. So I know Rachel wants to get her garden watered, so I'm gonna find her and we'll see if we can get the hose stretched out. We have our only outdoor hose connection is here, and garden is back there. So we kind of do this every year. We just run a hose back there, and then every time we mow, we just move it to the side, and pretty easy. Huh, there she is.
So,
Ready to get the garden watered?
yeah, what do you
Since it's not raining?
want? Right.
It's sprinkling still, kind of.
I just can't remember how we set it up last year. Did we use those red hoses? Like,
Yeah.
so you want me to unroll those? Because I need to keep this one up here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's 2 connections here.
Oh. Okay.
And we run one that way and then back.
So is there another hose or will those red ones go the whole way?
I don't remember. I think the 2 red ones, and then we need maybe 1 more from the basement. Oh, this hose was back here from when we were pumping our pond out back here. And this end is the end that goes up to the house.
No water. I like using this faucet nozzle. And then eventually I'll set up the sprinkler, but while everything's young, I like to use my faucet nozzle. So Todd's gonna run and turn it on, and of course, look, can you guys see that? As soon as we come out, it starts sprinkling again. But I know it's just the way it's going today, it's not gonna be enough rain for what the garden needs. So it is currently sprinkling. Here we go, we're in action.
Working?
Yep, smells like fresh soup.
It does stink. We'll put this on there when we
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah,
The shut off thing,
Right,
so we can
right.
turn it off and change
forgot about that.
ends.
Yeah. Oh, show them what we found in the pasture yesterday that we hooked up.
So Rachel the other day was asking me about
Ladybug.
ladybugs, and we started searching online because I know you can buy ladybugs online, like 10,000 ladybugs in a little jar, and then you can let them go in your garden and they'll eat. They're carnivores, so they'll basically eat other insects. And we also noticed that they sold praying mantis egg sacs that you could put in your garden as well. And it just so happens that in our back pasture by the back fence row, one of the trees back there had a praying mantis egg sac on it. So yesterday we harvested it and hung it right here. So hopefully it'll hatch out and we'll have hundreds of baby little praying mantis in our garden.
He told me that after I'd already put it in my Amazon shopping cart and bought it.
Oh no.
So we're gonna have a lot. We'll have to put some out in the orchard and stuff.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's nothing to keep them in here. They can just leave if they want.
Right. Feels like I'm getting plugged up. I don't know what's in this hose from being sucked from the pond.
Probably a lot of dirt and mud and sticks.
Yeah. Yep. All kinds of dirt. Dang it.
Just let it run free for a little bit and clean it out. Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Whoa, hey. Watch it. Don't point it at me.
Well, I don't want to drown my garden. Is that better?
Let it run just a little bit more. Still pretty brown. I saw somebody posted a comment on one of our videos about if you take the green part of your onions and you knock them over, it makes the bulbs bigger.
Oh, I didn't see that comment.
Yeah.
Oh, not just bend them over?
So like they said, kick them over. I don't know what that means, but
Yeah,
always more to learn. Working better now?
way better.
Now that it's raining again?
I know.
A quick update on our vandalism. Yesterday we put up the game trail camera, which is, I guess, step number one into solving this problem, is figuring out exactly what our problem is. And she came out here this morning, and wouldn't you know it, none of the tomatoes were dug up. So I'm sure there's no footage of anything on there. I didn't check it today because, well, I haven't been home, but well, now that you've finished watering, did you water the whole garden?
I did, yeah.
Now it's raining harder,
Yep.
which is fine.
It's fine, because it's not supposed to rain that much.
Yeah, we're only supposed to get like a quarter of an inch of rain. And
Yep.
what are you finding in here?
Oh,
Oh, sorry. That was you, not me. More strawberries.
yeah, pick them, because if it keeps raining like this in the next couple days, I might as well get them while I'm out here already wet. Thanks, guys, for hanging out with us today.
Yep, we're gonna wrap up today. I'm exhausted and I need a shower. And it's about dinner time, so we're gonna head in and get some food. We got some leftover,
Pork and potatoes.
yep, from yesterday. We'll see you guys in the morning.
Bye, guys.